Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In the last videos, we have seen methods and constructor in Java. In this video, we'll see our next concept, that is instance method in Java. Let's understand first what is the instance methods. On the screen, you can see instance methods are the methods that belong to an instance of the class rather than the class itself. They operate on the specific state and behave the associated with a single object. Instance method can access the instance variable or other instance method of the class. Basically, the instance method are the also called as the getter and setter method in Java. So let's see the set and get, that is setter and getter method in Java. These are the instance methods. Okay, we can also call these as a access and mutuator. That is, setter method is used to set the value to the variable, that is specific variable, and the getter method is used to get that value which we set using the setter method. Let's understand with the example. For that, start ESTS and create one project named as a instance methods in Java. That is instance methods. Click on finish. Expand the project. Create one Java file inside the source folder, that is instance methods. Check the main method here and click on फिनिश। और यहाँ पर वन थिंग, हम जब इंस्टेंस मेथड उसको क्यों बोलते हैं, क्योंकि हम क्लास के कुछ मेंबर्स डिक्लेयर करते हैं, दैट इज द वेरिएबल्स ऑफ द क्लास। हमने टाइप्स ऑफ वेरिएबल्स में देखा था कि इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल्स मींस द वेरिएबल विच डिक्लेयर इनसाइड द क्लास एंड आउटसाइड द मेथड्स, दे आर कॉल्ड एज द इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल। सो हम क्या करेंगे, उस वेरिएबल के अगेंस्ट सेट एंड गेट, दैट इज सेटर एंड गेट मेथड बनाएंगे। उसको क्या बोलते हैं, इंस्टेंस मेथड कॉल्स। हम वो इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल की क्रिएट करते हैं, देन just create one variable, that is string name. अब this is a instance variable. अब हमने क्या किया है, एक इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर किया है. Why it is called instance? As I told, we declare as a class variable and also called as instance, cause we access that variable using the instance of the class. Then how to declare the getter and setter method? Just see, after the declaration of instance variable, first we'll see how to declare the setter method, that is set method. Give the access specifier public, then the return type is always void, cause using the setter method we just setting the value of the variable, that is not returning type void and set and that variable name. In the brackets we are setting the value, that is we needed to give the value. So here needed to pass the name of the variable, that is string name, then enter method body. This is a declaration of the instance setter method. Setter method for setting the name. Just we are setting the name, so here name, assign the name is equals to name. So यहाँ पर आप कंफ्यूज होंगे कि यहाँ पर हमने ऐसे क्यों लिखा है. दिस नेम इज अवर इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल एंड दिस वन इज लोकल वेरिएबल. हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल को लोकल वेरिएबल की वैल्यू असाइन करेंगे. यहाँ पर हम अलग नेम भी देख सकते हैं, दैट इज यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया, ये लिया सिर्फ. ओके, यहाँ पर मैंने नेम चेंज करके इस वेरिएबल लोकल वेरिएबल का नेम सिर्फ एन दिया. तो हम क्या करेंगे, वो इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू असाइन करेंगे, दैट इज नेम इज इक्वल टू एन, मीन्स इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल को असाइन करेंगे लोकल वेरिएबल की वैल्यू. तो हम जब भी वो सेट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, उस इंस्टेंस को वो वैल्यू असाइन होगी. ओके, व्हाट इट, दिस इज अ सेटर मेथड. एंड Now getter method. It as similar as this only. Getter means हम क्या करते हैं, setter method में जो भी set किया है वो get करते हैं. So here access specifier and अब हम क्या करेंगे, get करेंगे means कुछ तो return करेंगे. So have the return type. Here I have declared the string. So return type is string. And then get and variable name. Here no parameter cause we are only returning the value, and here return type is strings, so we needed to add the return statement. Here you can see the error, that is add return statement or change the return into void, but we need to return a name, so I'm just adding the return statement, that is return name. Here it takes our instance variable because it is accessible over the class, cause we declare as a class variable. This is a local one. So how to call the method or how to access this getter and setter method? For that, similarly like method call, we needed to create the instance of the class, that is instance method. For that, new and then instance method. After that, press Alt Shift L. Okay, write our object name and click OK or click on OK. Then our instance is created. By using the instance, first set the name. Here you can see set name. Set the name. I'm setting as a Sham. Here I want to print the value of the name. So by using the get method, I will print the name or get the name. For that, in SOP, I write message first, that is name is, and then by using a concatenation operator, I'll call the getter method, that is instance dot, here second one is get name. So just save the file and run the project by right click on project and run as Java application. Now here you can see name is Sham. Here it is printing in red color cause there is a error. I have printed as a error, so I just want to print the output. So out again, rerun it. Here you can see the name is Sham. I hope you understand the getter and setter method in Java. I'm just telling you the shortcut, that is how to create the getter and setter method. Here आप देख सकते हैं हमने एक ही वेरिएबल के लिए वो मेथड्स डिक्लेयर किया, बट व्हाट हैपेंस जब एक क्लास के अंदर नंबर ऑफ इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल होंगे तब हम मैन्युअली क्रिएट करने के लिए इट टेक्स more time. So we have one shortcut for that. For that, I am declaring the variable, more variables, that is string address, semicolon, then int age, semicolon, then date type of birth date is capital. We needed to import the Java util. Okay, save the file and अब क्या करना है, हमें इनके लिए भी गेटर एंड सेटर मेथड को डिक्लेयर करना है, बट अगर मैन्युअली किया तो इट टेक्स टू मच टाइम एज आई टोल्ड. देन फॉर दैट, आफ्टर डिक्लेयरिंग द variable, press alt shift and then yes, here we have the option in the last section and second one, that is generate getter and setter. Click on the option and select the variable which we want to generate a getter and setter. Okay, I have selected and then click on generate. But before that, here you can see कि final feeds के लिए भी अगर आपको अलो करना है तो यू कैन चेक द बॉक्स। देन यहाँ पर एक्सेस मॉडिफायर भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको पब्लिक बनाना है तो पब्लिक और प्राइवेट प्रोटेक्टेड जो भी आपको यूज करना है आप यहाँ पर यूज कर सकते हैं। देन जनरेट मेथड कमेंट्स, अगर मेथड्स को कमेंट करना है तो मेथड्स के कमेंट्स दैट इज सेटर मेथड फॉर नेम, सेटर मेथड फॉर एड्रेस एक्सेट्रा, एंड देन क्लिक ऑन जनरेट। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं विद इन अ सेकेंड यहाँ पर हमारे जो भी गेटर एंड सेटर मेथड है वो ऑल वेरिएबल्स के लिए क्रिएट हो गई है। दिस वन इज अ getter method. Instead of create it manually, we can create using the shortcut key. Then as similar as this name, we can set our other value by using the instance of the class, that is instance method dot set address. Then give the address. I'm giving the Pune. Then again using the instance. The next one is set age. Here you can see I'm setting age as a 25. Next instance variable is set birth date is of date type. So you can give the 12 0 to 2000. We need to add the flashes for the or dash. That is also right in the double quotes. You can pass the slashes, and in double quotes also you can give not taking. So this replace with the new date. And replace is cause you still have format to pass a date. So you just replace with the new date, which will return you the current date. Okay. And same, copy the same SOP and just print the other instance methods, that is address, then age, again the birth, getter method for the corresponding variables, age and birth rate. Okay, save the file, just rerun again. Scroll up console and check. Here name is Sham, address is Pune, age is 25 and birth date is printed in this format. So we need to give the same format for the date. Okay. Then similarly you can pass the n number of values again and again. Okay. Again using the RAM. Okay. Similar way you can print it out again. So once we declare the getter and setter method, we can use the multiple time. Here you can see first for the sham, second for the ram. So this is the use of the instance method, that once we declare at the time of the declaration, so we can use it out the overall project. So I hope you understand the instance method, that is getter and setter method in Java, how to declare it, what is the use of it, why it is called as the instance method called. We declare it for the instance variable and called using the instance of the class. Thank you so much for watching.